Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add text over an image by using OpenCV in Python. So let's get started. So currently I'm having here a super simple code to display an image, alright. So if I just now run it, this lion image will be getting displayed. You can just pause the video and type it out. It's just like 5 lines of code. I've imported OpenCV, okay. So to write over an image, we will be using the put text function, alright. So you need to just come to the line before I am show, alright. Just come above that line and you will be typing cv2 dot put text, alright. So here's the thing, put text, and here we will be passing multiple number of parameters, alright. So I will be showing you what each parameter means. So I will just go to my notepad. So here you can see these are the parameters and their meaning. So the first parameter is going to be the image itself. So I will just come to my code and this is that image variable, alright. So first thing you need to just type it here. Just put image and put a comma. This can be anything, the naming is your choice. And let's now go again, and this is the text that is going to appear on your image. So let me just go with the text as lion because it's a lion image. I will just type it. You need to type the text within double quotes, alright. And let me just put a comma. And the next is going to be the position, that is basically the x and y position on that particular image, alright. So let me just go here and give just a random value 20, 50 x and y. And next is going to be the font, okay, font style, alright. So for this we are having cv2 dot, there are actually many font styles available here. You can see font italic. I think I will be going with font Hershey, so I will just type font. If you just type this, you'll be getting these many fonts available, okay. So I will just go with Hershey simplex. I'll just click that, that is fine. I will just put a comma. I'll just come to the next line because if I just go, it won't be appearing on the screen. I will just come here. You can, if you have space, you can just type that in the same line. So I'll just go to my notepad again. So we are done with the font style. Next is going to be the font scale or the font size. So I will just go with 2. You can just give based upon your image size as well as your need. I will just put 2 and comma. Don't forget the comma, alright. Every parameter needs to be separated through a comma. So we're done with the font size, and next thing is color, I guess. Yeah, the color. So we need to specify the color in RGB format, alright. So just open circular bracket. So RG and B, I will go with 0, 255, and it's going to be 0 again. So this is green color, I guess. Let's see the output. So we are done with the color, and next thing is the thickness basically of our text. So I will just go with 5, maybe you can give your choice. And the final thing is this cv2.line underscore AA. I think this is for some alignment purposes. Basically gives an axis or some line kind of to your text, alright. It's just optional maybe. So these are the parameters that are needed. So if I just now run this, so here you can see, I guess you can see the lion text appearing over here. And as I told you earlier, I think this particular line underscore A is optional. So let me just now remove this thing and let me just now try running it. Yeah, so it's still working. So you can just leave that if you want to. And let's suppose try with some other colors. I will go put it as 0 and I'm going with 255 over here. I think this is red color or blue. I don't know. So if I just now, I will close this and let me change the scale as 4 and let me move the x-axis, I guess, to 30 or something, and let me just now run it. Oh, it's red in color, yeah, so it has gone up a bit. So I will just change it to, I think I need to change the y-axis. I will go with 70, not 770. I will close it. You need to close and like rerun it again, alright, so that your changes are getting affected. Yeah, so I'm getting this way. So you can just play around with the x and y axis, the thickness, the scale, alright. So basically this is the thing. You can just pause this and have a note of this. And I hope you have found this video useful. I also done many other programming videos in OpenCV Python as well as C, C++, Java, Node.js, React.js, MySQL queries as well as 3D animation using Blender. So do check other videos of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.